everyone, I'm Varuni from ETE department. Today I'm going to present about digital carbon footprint and how the Netflix, Instagram and other AIs are secretly warming our planet. So, what digital carbon footprint means is that the total greenhouse gases that has been emitted through the digital platforms and digitally. Basically, digitally, how the carbon emission has been done to the planet and how it is affecting and increasing the uh, carbon footprint. We think the pollution only comes from vehicles, industries, and other majorly visible things, but invisible climate cost comes from the digital lives that we are having every day in our daily activities. Nowadays, Netflix, Instagram, AI, ChatGPTs have been so much normalized that we are using every day endlessly. There are billions of people who scroll endlessly for like 8 hours continuously, and that emits a lot of carbon dioxide to the environment, which we are very much unaware of it. And if this is not addressed now, then it will be causing a huge harm on our planet in the future. So the digital activities are estimated to contribute about 1.8 to 3.2% of the global emission, which is exceeding the aviation industries, and the massive energy consumption. Every scrolling, every uploading, every gaming, uploading, scrolling, streaming, everything needs consumes energy. The data centers and the data centers needs cooling water for them to cool down, and the energy consumption is very high. All these things need very high energy consumption. Also, they emit a lot of carbon dioxide, and this growing demand of the technology in the recent days is one of the cause why people the technology is increasing every day. So the people naturally use the technologies every day, unaware unaware of the fact that how it affects the nature, how it affects the nature. The streaming Netflix, nowadays Netflix, there are billions of people who use Netflix. According to the stats that was published by Netflix itself, 300 billion million plus subscribers were there in Netflix, and 94 billion hours of stream was recorded in 2024. This requires immense volume of data transfer, and processor require vast energy resources. Each hour of streaming emits 36 to 55 grams of CO2. This is per hour and per person. So if there are millions of people who are using and just streaming Netflix, then imagine the amount of uh, CO2 that has been released every day. This is also 94 billion, like the 35 grams of CO2 released is approximately like equal to like microwaving 4 bags of popcorn. That amount of energy is required. So this increases the carbon footprint, and it has actually increased the carbon footprint to 50%, like to 1.5 million tons of CO2 was released in 2021, and this was uh, reported by Netflix itself. So, along with the Netflix and the other social media platforms are like Instagram, Facebook, TikToks, Prime Videos. In this Instagram, every reel for humans, it is an enjoyment. Every reel, it's just takes as a one click to scroll, but it takes 2.2 2.4 oxygen emission, carbon dioxide emission. So every reel, even uploading, takes 1.05 grams of CO2 for every minute of active use. And the daily, like if a person is using and social media platform for like 30 minutes, then almost equals to 20 grams of CO2 emission. It might seem small for now, but there are billions of people who use it simultaneously for hours. So the overview of this like totally increases the whole thing. So the TikTok, even the TikTok, every short and long videos requires like 2.63 grams of CO2 per minute. So this growing of carbon footprint as a digital and a social media as a whole is not been coming to light. And the AI is growing every day. ChatGPT, Gemini, and there is a new AI for new thing, new human activity. Like AI is replacing humans like anything, and we are so dependent on it. And we can nowadays we cannot live without it. We use ChatGPT is like it's a basic need of life. Every day we go on giving prompts, not just one. There are we go on giving them like hundreds of prompts, not just one person. So the billions of people giving gives lots of prompts every single day. So this totally increases the CO2 emission to a very huge amount, to a very huge amount. So this is the comparing of all the Netflix, Instagram, and all the AIs. So you can see the all these things basically need data transfers, power supply, networks, and the transmission. Everything needs a lot of energy consumption, and also they need cooling resistance. These data centers need cooling resistance, and that needs a lot of water. They need water to cool down. So every single time this data center works as a worldwide, the power consumption approximated to 1% of the global electricity. So, and we need a lot of water to cool this system. This cooling system, it requires a vast amount of water, and some AI services can use up to 27 liters of water per male equivalent, which is very huge in a daily life. So this e-waste production is adding to the global problem that have been already existing. There are a lot of means of pollutant, and digital being one of it is adding even more problem to the society. So how to optimize this? We cannot stop using this digital life. We cannot stop like, yeah, I